Hey everyone, so I'm back with another lipstick color shine tutorial. So this color is actually like a Barbie pink. Yes, a Barbie pink. You guys will see in a minute why I call it that. And this is LA Colors CP 233. CP 233. Okay. So what you want to do is put on your lipstick. Sorry if I kind of did my eyes like that, but okay. So yeah. Okay. Do you see why? It's like a Barbie pink, right? Oh, I'm such a Barbie. No, no. Okay. Okay, so make sure your edges are clean. You don't want to look sloppy all going out, right? No. Okay, so the lipstick by itself, it will look good with like candy event, like a Candyland event for Epic or Myth if you're in St. Paul or Minnesota, that is. And then what I'm gonna use is this eyeshadow. I think it's Wet n Wild too. I'm not sure, but it's kind of like a dullish pink purple color. So yeah, I like doing this. Okay, and then you just dap it on your lip. You guys see the difference? Isn't that pretty? Okay. You need more. You need more. You need more. You need more. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. I think for this, I can go for every single day, like. And if you guys are wondering about my eyes, I use the same eyeshadow, and then I use this LA Colors number SC124, and lashes. Bought them at Walmart. Hold on, let me. Okay, you see them? They're long. Even though I already have long lashes, but this is me when I'm bored and I'm off work doing nothing. So, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more. If you guys want more requests, if you guys have anything. But yeah, enjoy. Bye.